Morning, students. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. Students, this is your English period. I'm your English teacher. Today we will do the poem White Window in our English word book, right? Today we will do some rhyming words from the poem White Window, right? So what is a rhyming word? Students, firstly I will tell you. Rhyming words are words that have two words. They have the different meaning, but their end part is same. Like dog, D-O-G dog, L-O-G log, right? Starting one is different, D and L, but the last one is same. And in like cat, C-A-T cat, R-A-T rat, right? Hair, H-A-I-R hair, C-A-I-R F-A-I-R fair, care, C-A-I-R care, or C-H-A-I-R chair, right? Students, like this. Make, fake, take, M-A-K-E make, F-A-K-E fake, T-A-K-E take. Like this, these are rhyming words. But students, rhyming words should have some meaning. It should have some sense. Otherwise, your marks will be cut if you will write a wrong rhyming word. Okay? It is a very simple exercise, but you have to use your brain. Okay? It should have some proper meaning. Otherwise, your marks will be cut, student. So, let's start the exercise. As I earlier explained you that what is rhyming words. Now, we will do some exercises of rhyming words from the poem The White Window. Right? Write down the classwork. Then put the date. That is 30 October 2020. Right? Now we will start the rhyming words. Rhyme, time. Exercise 1. Find 2 or more rhyming words for each of the following. Firstly, we will do some easy ones. Then we will come to not too easy. Then the most difficult ones. Okay? And the first one. R-A-I-L, rail. We have to make 2 rhyming words, 1 and 2. What will be the first one? First one will be bail, B-A-I-L, bail. M-A-I-L, mail. Then B, far, R, A-R-E-R, C-A-R, car, right? Then C1, dream, stream, cream. D, pull, full, dull, or B-U-L-L, bull. E, germ. Then it will be term, herm, right? The rhyming words have different meaning, but the end is always same, right, students? Now, we will come to not too easy one. A, tram. It will become cram. And the second will become pram. B, hunk. It will become junk. And the second will become bunk. C, train. Train will become brain. And the other one will be strain, S-T-R-A-I-N. Now, D1, fair. Fair will become pear, and then hair, right? Now, difficult. Girl will become curl, full. Over here you will see something has been changed. It is not GIRL, girl. So it is curl. The last one will be the same. Means the sound will be the same. Girl, curl, curl, curl. Right? Full. Now, you can see the sounds are same now. Like girl, is coming in curl also and in furl also. Now, B1, stuff. It will become muff. And the second one is scruff. Cooler. Cooler will become ruler. I already told you it should be matching with the end part. So, cooler, ruler. Then the answer is jeweler. Then D1 is stew, few, new. Right? So here we have completed the exercise rhyming words. You have to do it in your English word book. So students, today we have done the poem White Window from our English word book. That's all for today, students. I hope you all are well. Stay safe at home. Have a good day. Thank you.